That's so fragile.
You got a real camera, not just a phone camera. You are serious.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what I play.
The red one though.
So guys, we're in Apple. My mom's looking for a new phone. But you like big phones, Ma.
This is big.
No, the 10, you want to see the 10 Max?
Yeah. This is the R?
Yeah.
Which one is the 10 Max? This is the R?
No, the R's are over there.
Oh.
I would want the R.
So which one is better?
Which one is better,
Which one's better?
in your opinion?
What are you using it for primarily?
I just want the
Just a
latest.
daily phone.
What's that?
Just a daily phone, you know.
Daily
Look
phone.
at the time, play some games,
Okay.
call, text,
Right.
take some pictures.
Yeah.
Like
This one's
your
gonna
daily-
And vlogging too, because we vlog sometimes.
and vlog.
Yeah.
But we got a camera.
Yeah, but sometimes like
So this one's gonna have a little bit better camera than the 10.
I'm gonna do this.
I want that. You know, look at the 10R. You know, it's nice. That's me. That's for me, you know. That's,
Good, how are you?
Can I help you out? Yeah, we're looking between the Max and the 10R. We're just talking camera.
Ooh, that's clear.
That's the whole reason I got mine.
that is clear. That's clear. Yes. We got a test and the teacher said that it looks pretty good. And I think I got 100 on it. So 10R, I'm coming for you.
Take care.
Yeah, that 10R, I'm coming for you. Bye, Apple. Be back. Tory Birch. Tory Booch. Look at him, Ma. Watch out.
What? Oh.
Jamaican vibes, man.
I don't know, sleep morning, like.
Ew, ew.
You don't like it?
No.
You crazy boy.
That's a grandma style.
What latest style do you have? Okay. Oh, you go all the way back. I just saw the area here.
So many mirrors.
I see you had on the website there's some bright colors like yellow. I like those. This way, Jim. Oh, this go all the way back.
I almost tripped.
No. This is just the style.
You already have that.
No, I have this, and I have.
So why do you need more colors?
Cause this is a different style. Don't you see that?
I don't see that.
Why did I take you with me? Do you have black in this one or no?
Yeah, no, it's navy blue.
This is the most comfortable chair. This is the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in my life. Mom, Mommy, sit in this chair.
I'll be right there.
This is comfortable. Sit right there, Mom. Sit.
Where?
Sit right there. Tell me this chair is not comfortable.
Oh, yes it is.
And like, especially the bags right here. It's like, Hey, Ma.
try them on for size, so you know your size.
Yeah.
What size would you need?
I'm not. I'm just standing right here. It's a better view.
Oh, so it's not, I don't have to come back here, you should be in my house? Okay, alright.
When, Ma?
13.
You didn't, you shopped at Tour before.
Yeah.
You didn't get a $50 coupon in your email for your birthday?
I left some stuff at home.
Go to your email and search Toy Virtue. If you have one, it should pop up. It's $50. She sends out $50 birthday. You can apply real quick before you return. Check out.
What? Boots, yeah.
Because it has a sheen to it, so it's not like a true black.
Italian bread. Yeah. Meatball.
This way.
American. Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't remember. I want some Balenciagas.
We don't have them just yet. No? We should be getting them in the next few months.
Why the GPS taking me here?
Your best bet. Where's the last one? Gallery? Take this little box. Yeah, for sure. Give them Marcus or Saks that have mine.
Okay. What happened? Tory Burch, Ma. Like Gucci. Let me see. 250. I'm gone. So guys, this is what my mom wants to get. This shoe, the YSL. Look at this. This looks so fragile to me. Doesn't this look like it can break easily? That's crazy. So she got it in a different color. But yeah.
You should come with them.
one I like.
She comes.
You're a boy, don't expect glassware. That you were right. You were right.
Yes. I'm looking for this shoe for another customer in a different size.
Oh yeah?
I was just looking today.
Because
An
I'm
hour
for my
ago.
birthday.
When is your birthday?
The 20th. 20.
Beautiful.
Let me see that, Mom.
You've got plans.
Yes.
Wow, it's crazy.
It's nice. Don't you think it's cute?
No.
Okay.
So when she puts them on,
Yes.
then you can take a picture.
That is.
Are they true to size or no?
Yeah. Okay. Yep. They pretty much are.
These are it right here.
You've been looking at them for a while?
I just
We just discovered them?
Well, you're not giving me any encouragement
they're nice, Mom.
on my feet.
They're just a
on my
waste
feet.
of money.
It's not a waste of.
Those are not. Turn to the side a little bit. Wow, that's so
You got
fragile.
a real camera, not just a phone camera. You are serious.